US index, we can see this week has formed a bullish breakouts and several ones. We can see the price has reached this support level at the start of the week, forming a bullish pin bar and then going up, going above 104.94, making a bullish breakout. Continue to rise in value, reaching 105.51, making bullish breakout, and then again reaching the next one resistance level at 106.27. On the weekly time frame, this is a bullish candle, bullish breakout, and this was also mentioned and it was expected after the prices formed a bullish breakout 2 weeks ago, and the price has confirmed this bullish breakout as a valid one. It was expected for the price to reach this first area around 105. The price has reached it, and for now the price has formed also bullish breakout going above 105.51. So on the monthly time frame, it is also a bullish candle, a continuation of this bullish breakout, so there is a high chance that this month will close as a bullish candle, confirming this bullish breakout. We have 2 more weeks, so we'll wait until this month comes to the end to see how the candle looks and also how the market behaves. Now for the monthly time frame, we can see this is the first resistance level at 106.18 and then 106.75. These are very critical levels for the price, so we'll see what happens around these price levels. Now we can see 107.12 is also a resistance level for the price on the weekly time frame, but before that happens, we can see this is the first resistance level, 106.20, and the second one is 106.70. These are the resistance levels we can see here on the chart currently. Now on the lower time frame, which means a daily time frame, we will see much more clearly how this everything looks, but for now we can see a very important level and also a very critical level for the price. It will be 105.51 for the price in order to prevent to go even more down. On the daily time frame, this is what we can see. Let's zoom out a little bit just to see a very critical levels. 105.51, just a minute. Okay, and this is also a very important level on the weekly time frame. Okay, now let's see. We can see here at this very important level, it will be this area here around 106.27, where the prices has currently stopped. So it is expected for the price, I'm expecting to see a price again reaching higher price levels, and that means around this area around 107.12. But before that happens, we can see that this support 105.51 needs to hold in order to go up. This is a bullish breakout currently that has happened on the Friday that needs to be validated with the candle not going below this one, which means on a Monday we should not see the price going down below this price level. If that happens, it will be an invalidated bullish breakout, which is suggesting opposite direction, which means the price going even more down. But before that happens, we will see what happens first around 105.51 and also around this area 106.27. We'll see what happens and we'll see what the price will do. For now, everything looks as a bullish momentum forming on the chart. And this is a small uptrend that is continuing to rise in value. And this is something that we have seen. First the uptrend, a small downtrend, and then currently we have again the uptrend. So the price is trying to reach high price levels, and this is what I am expecting next week. And that is to see the price reaching again higher price levels around 107.12. But before that, the price retracing back down 105.51, confirming as a support level and also demand zone. So if there is if the bearish breakout happens here, suggesting further decline down for the price, I will share that with the traders inside the Telegram group. So this is all for this week. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.